biding my time. I hope that it ain't so. Facing the truth, the eye of the needle. And even if we're not solving this riddle, there's no taking back all the deeds that we've done. There's a lot that we did wrong, looking back on all of the shit we've done. I cannot believe that it's been so long, that we're in the eye of the needle. When you don't like or love me, I breathe it all out and I breathe in. When there is no way back in, and we are the eye of the needle. I breathe it all out and I breathe in.
Made it. Ooh, let me give you a little wipe down real quick. Okay, made it. Oh my god, I would have paid driving in a van to here. I fucking killed myself. Just parked the scooter. Beach out.
That goes on, and I'm not taking back all the deeds that I've done. There's a lot that we did wrong, looking back on all of the shit we've done. I cannot believe that it's been so long, that we're in the eye of the needle. When you don't like or love me, I breathe it all out, then I breathe in. When there is no way back in, and we are the eye of the needle. I breathe it all out, then I breathe in. We are the eye of the needle.
All right, first beach experience in the Philippines. Nacpan. Does not get much better. Shit, son. This water feels incredible.
Then breathe in, 'cause we're in the eye of the needle. When you don't like or love me, then I'll face the eye of the needle. I breathe it all out, then I breathe in. We're the eye of the needle. We are the eye of the needle. I breathe it all out, then I breathe in. I breathe it all out, then I breathe in. Breathe it all out. We are the eye of the needle.
When I say go, 3, 2, 1, go.
I started to cramp and then fucking hammy. Oh god. Oh, hammy cramp. Oh, hammy cramp. Just want to let you guys know that video that you just saw of us running out, pretty sure I pulled the hammy. So, see me limping for the rest of the trip. That's why.